Guys, this technique will be very useful in your life. And if you want to live with self-confidence and brave life, then don't skip this video. So let's start the technique. If you're walking in a street like this way, an enemy comes to you and grab your collar in this position, then what you do here? Step number 1, keep your both arms up like this position. If he attacks you, then your arms will be here for defending yourself like this way. And step number 2, twist your body like this position. When I twist, you can see if he do attack, your arm defend yourself, yeah, like this way. Now twist your arm like this position, his arm going to be twisted. Now attack on his neck and lock his body in this position. Now he is fully under of your control, you can see. Guys, now I'll show you this technique from the other side so you can understand better. Step number 1, take one step back, round, hit and lock. Guys, now I'll show you this technique in real. Yes. Guys, hope you like this video, and if you want to learn more interesting videos, then please subscribe our channel and share our video with your friends, and don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you.